Hi, today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your TECNO 6 Neo. To do it, open calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 23. And there this plus icon. First step, add title of your event. There we can set in which time event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day event by switch on. Repeat if we need it. Reminds about our event or don't me remind, and you can set custom reminds. But remember, when you set it, you can get only notification, but when you turn on it, we get notification and alarm. There we can add this event to your friend's calendar. We can add location and description to that, and after you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press this icon to save it, and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.